Dear student, welcome back to our NIUBS home school. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly, Saha, assistant teacher of English, National Idol English National School, morning shift. Dear student, today I am going to take your home science class for the student of class 6. So student, today we will discuss lesson 3 chapter 1 discussion. So let's get started our class. Okay, lesson 3, keeping and preserving necessary articles at proper places. So we know that home is a place where we live in a family, so we should keep our home neat and clean, tidy and organized. Okay, so now Shahid makes his own bed after getting up from sleep every day. After coming back from school, he keeps his school bag, textbook, exercise book, shirt and trouser, shoes and socks, etc. in their appropriate places. Okay, he keeps his textbooks, exercise books, pencil, pens, etc. in an orderly manner after completion of his studies every day. After the afternoon sports, he keeps his sports gears. Gears means machinery, sports machinery in proper places. For this reason, he gets everything at his fingers and when necessary arises. Each article has its proper places for use and keeping. We know student, each article has its proper places, okay, for use and keeping. Hence, all the members of the family need to be habituated. That means habituated meaning accustomed to in keeping various articles in proper places in an orderly and disciplined manner after their use. We should keep our things in our proper places so that we can get these things very easily. Okay. Articles last long through their careful keeping in appropriate places and keep the home environment neat and tidy. Such a habit of family members enables the article to be easily available within their reach when necessary. As a result, there is no unnecessary wastage of time and energy in locating the articles. So, if we get things easily, it will save our time and energy. Okay. Besides, there are risks of various accidents arising out due to haphazardly kept articles. We use various types of equipment and ingredients, that means elements, okay, for doing different types of works at our home, such as cooking and serving equipment. Okay. These types of equipments are necessary for our cooking. Okay, these are cooking pots, frying pans, cooking spatula, spoons, body, knives, pressure cooker, blender, oven, burner, etc. Among these appliances, the ones that are not for daily use are arranged in the kitchen shelves within easy reach. The appliances which are not for regular and daily use are kept in cabinets. So, the things which are not for regular uses, we should keep it in the kitchen shelves within easy reach so that we can get it easily. The appliances which are not for regular and daily use are kept in cabinets. So, the things which are not for regular uses, we should keep it in cabinets, okay, or in shelves above the ones where appliances of daily use are kept. We may arrange utensils that are used for serving meals, plates, drinking glasses, jugs, spoons, forks, trays, etc. in the shelves within the dining room. Showing equipment. Sewing machine is the main equipment for this type, which we keep at any corner or location of our room. We keep the equipment like needles, scissors, measuring tape, button, threads, etc. together in a box near the machine. So, we should keep our sewing equipment in a box near the machine. Okay. When necessary, we can get it easily. Okay. Garden appliances, watering can, water pipe, crowbar, spade, chopper, scissors, etc. Such articles are made absolutely clean after their use and are kept in a particular corner on a defined shelf or in the storeroom of the house. So, where should we keep garden appliances? We should keep it in the particular corner on a defined shelf on the storeroom of the house. Laundry appliances, buckets, mugs, washing machines, etc. are kept in bathrooms. Iron can be kept on the ironing board. Cleaning appliances, hard brooms, soft brooms, ceiling cleaning broom, floor mopping tools, vacuum cleaner, okay, that is used for cleaning, etc. are kept at one corner of the storeroom. Garments and clothing, we keep the regularly and daily used garments and clothing on desk, stand or wardrobe, while those to be worn during specific occasions or seasonal ones are kept in almirahs or chest of drawers. Besides, it is necessary to develop the habit of keeping shoes, sandals, socks, etc. at definite places, for example on the lowest shelf of desk stand or clothes horse. Stationaries, we keep stationaries such as textbooks, exercise books, pens, etc. in a shelf nearest to the study table. In an organized manner, such items can also be kept on the table in case there is no shelf in the vicinity. That means vicinity means nearness. Okay, here are given three pictures: bookshelf, dressing table, desk stand. Toiletries, okay, we use various toiletries for our makeup. Okay, this includes shampoos, combs, face powders, cold cream, lipstick, perfumes, shaving brush, shaving razor, etc. This can be conveniently be stored on the dressing table or in a suitable location in the dressing room. Now, come to the next point. First aid materials: cotton, bandage, Dettol, hot or cold water bag, spirit, bundle, pain reliever, antiseptic powder or ointment, etc. These materials are kept inside a specific box known as first aid box. The first aid box needs to be kept on an upper place so that everyone can see and be aware of its presence. We know first aid is an initial treatment to a person in case of any accident, so we should keep it safely. And which materials are used for giving first aid? We know cotton, bandage, Dettol, hot or cold water bag, spirit, bundle, pain reliever, antiseptic powder, ointment, etc. These are used for giving first aid. Miscellaneous, that means different things. Miscellaneous things include old newspaper, magazines, toys, etc. These articles need to be brought together and kept inside a box so that these don't remain scattered in different places of the home. Now come to your homework number. It is homework number 2 and topic short questions. Here are given 2 short questions for you. Number 1, where should we keep garden appliances? And number 2, which materials are used for giving first aid? So these 2 short questions, after reading this lesson attentively, you have to find out the answer of these short questions and write down on your copy and submission date. Your homework submission date will be 29 January 2022, Saturday. So students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. See you next class.